Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'd like to talk to you about Camco's RV water hose and electrical cord basket. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more new Camco videos. The RV water hose and electrical cord basket is perfect for storing RV water hoses or RV electrical cords. It holds up to 75 feet of hose and features a middle compartment that accommodates water pressure regulators, a 10-inch RV water filter canister, and other hose accessories. The basket is designed to easily wind and unwind hose or cord ends. The integrated hooks underneath the basket help uncoil the exact length of hose needed. And it's constructed of heavy-duty UV stabilized polymer. So there you have it, the RV water hose and electrical cord basket from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today. Camco.net. Today I'd like to talk to you about Camco's RV water hose and electrical cord basket. It's hard to say. Today I'm going to talk to you about Camco's RV water hose and electrical... That was weird.